News that European giants Chelsea FC and FC Barcelona, among others, are showing interest in signing Jamaican-born Bayer Leverkusen forward Leon Chippy Bailey. Should be like music to all Jamaican ears. In fact, we understand that Leverkusen has rejected a £22 million bid from Chelsea for the rising Jamaican baller. The fact that the JFF is inactive and cannot seem to secure an international game to try and get Leon Bailey into the Jamaican national shirt, that aside, the progress of the 20-year-old is still the best thing happening for Jamaica's football right now. On an inspirational and motivational level, the reality of a youth who born and grew upon the goalie side, striving and making it big in football against all the odds and above all the obstacles, this Leon Bailey story should provide a priceless lesson to all upcoming young ballers in Jamaica. This is what the youth them need to see and hear about. Not about how them no good and them inferior and them unprofessional and blah, blah, blah. Leon Bailey is living testament that born and bred Jamaican players are still talented. And if the right doors are opened by the right people at the right time, Jamaican baller can make it and them can make it big. So we just want to wish Leon Bailey all the continued and even bigger success. Go and do it, baller. Do it for yourself, do it for your family, and for all the young aspiring Jamaican players who need to see what they can be with their talent. Don't watch the silent and invisible football leadership. In fact, I want to encourage Leon Bailey to send the JFF a Christmas card, wishing them season's greetings and all the best and blah, blah, blah. And baller, I want you to sign it. Merry Christmas, JFF, from Leon Bailey, the ordinary baller.